This video is proudly brought to you by Web3bridge with Links, our official sponsors for Cohort 11.
Today's video, I'm going to be talking on providers.
I'll be talking about signers.
I'll be talking on wallets. So basically, wallets are softwares that allow users to interact with their Ethereum accounts and help them manage their funds on the blockchain. So another thing wallets help users to do is it helps them perform transactions like sending and receiving funds on the blockchain. So we have different types of wallets. We have software wallets, hardware wallets, and hybrid wallets. Example of software wallets are the one like MetaMask, their mobile application, or their browser extensions. So basically, users' funds are not actually stored on the wallet. Wallets just provide a kind of, should I call it, gateway that allow them to manage their funds, which are actually stored on the Ethereum blockchain or other blockchain. We have different kind of wallet providers. Example of MetaMask, we have Phantom, and all other types of wallet, Trust Wallet, and the likes.
So providers are basically what help connect your client side or your front-end app to the blockchain. It's usually used for reading stuff on the blockchain, and there are providers like Alchemy, which are like external providers, Infura or Alchemy, and then there are also injected providers that usually come with like MetaMask that provide or that kind of give an app access to providers by injecting it into the window. So you access it with stuff like window.ethereum, and then you're able to call on the RPC methods that you can use to read data on the from the blockchain basically.
We learned that the EIPs that has to do with wallet, provider, and signers, they are the EIP 1196 and the EIP 6963. For the EIP 1196, it has to do with single signer, while that of the EIP 6963 has to do with multiple signers. And of course, basically under this EIP, wallet and DApps basically has a way of connecting to our wallet. They announce themselves. Our DApp announces why the wallets make themselves available for connection basically.